Welcome back to the channel everyone. Hope you guys are having a great time. In previous video we have seen the installation process of Visual Studio 2019. If you have any previous versions like Visual Studio 2010, 2012 or we can say 2013, then please uninstall those versions and try to use the latest version, because as technology progress, the things are getting better and better in upcoming versions. So in this video we will write the simple program to print hello world on the web page. So we will start with the project. For this you need to open your Visual Studio. So go to your Visual Studio, and this will be your home template. From this you need to select create a new project, and here lot of options are given to you, like languages, where we will select our language, that will be C sharp, and platforms, for this will keep as all platform, and we need to select the web. So here you have multiple options available with you. So let's scroll down, go to the ASP.NET web application in bracket .NET framework and click on next. This process will be little bit different in previous versions, so no need to worry about it. Just follow these instruction so you can relate with this example to that version. I'm giving some decent name. Try to use this habit because this will help you to identify your projects. And location, that will be the key factor. Try to save your files to the central directory. Select the framework. Here by default framework is 4.7.2. You can change it according to your requirement if you want. Then click on create. This process has n number of templates. I am selecting empty because we are learning this technology from scratch, so we'll start from empty, and we will see this web form as an option. Click on this and create this. So if you create this application, it will create the solution directory as well as the project directory. Once your project is loaded, it will look like this. You get all these options, the standard menu, as all Microsoft tools has this kind of menu options. Then you have solution explorer, where you will get your all resources regarding your project, like web pages, web configuration file, package configuration file. And here you have toolbox as well. Lot of options are there. You can check all these options with your own. And here one thing that needs to be changed is your default browser. Like you can install Firefox or Google Chrome, so try to use all browsers other than your Internet Explorer. So I have selected Google Chrome, and after clicking this icon you can run your project. For this, first we will create one web page. So right click on your main project. Here you will have resources. Inside this we will create our web page. So all these options will be explored in previous videos. Sorry, these as we progress we will check these things step by step. So right click on your project and click on add. and then click on new item. So here you have bunch of options. Select web and select web form and give decent name. Don't use this default web form, so I am giving home.aspx. So it will create web page with some standard line of codes, and you can use a lot of tools from this toolbox. So I recommend you to use line of codes instead of drag and drop option. So here we have attributes, page attributes like language, then code behind file. So the thing I want to explain is code behind file. That means each and every web page has two options. First one is HTML page, or we can say SPX, and second one that we have is the code behind file, where we will write code in programming language such as C sharp. And here in ASPX design page, or we can say it's a source page, we will add the controls. As you can see, these options are there. Yes, this is our home.aspx.cs file, and this is our aspx file, main file. So our job is to write hello world on the web page by using programming language. So go to this aspx.cs file, and inside page load write this code, response dot write, and inside the bracket we will write our message, which is hello world. This is the famous example that all programming languages are used to initiate the process of learning. Now, now let's run this. Yes, Chrome browser is open. Yes, we have got our output, that is hello world, which is there on the web page. So this is how you can add messages on the screen